Okay, welcome back. I appreciate y'all for subscribing, liking, and watching. So thank you. Now we're gonna jump right into it. This is another request for Gunna, who I really don't know. Young Thug, slightly familiar with, and I do know that they are on trial. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. So the first question we had was feelings of Gunna taking plea deals. How does Young Thug feel about Gunna taking a plea deal? All right, let's see. Let's move that back. All right, so how does Young Thug feel about Gunna taking a plea deal? That Six of Pentacles scream plea deal. So he could be a little shocked. But this all just, it feel fake though. I don't know if there's any females involved in this situation with this Empress energy. Let's see. Yeah, this feel fake, y'all. It's kind of like this understanding energy is like, I keep kind of hearing like, shit, I gotta get mine, you gotta get yours. Like, so why the Six of Pentacles? So he could be a little surprised or shocked. Everything I say is alleged. Why the Magician? The Hangman. Like he already knew that this was coming. So there's this energy of betrayal. And that's for the Knight of Wands. Five of Swords up here twice. It's like a distraction. But again, I haven't kept up with this case, but it feels like a renege on the flip. Why the Five of Swords twice? It was this energy of him not really worried about it. Because there's some numbers being tossed around. There's some money being tossed around here. So like walk away. Eight of Cups energy. The Star. Why the Nine of Cups? So there's this energy underlying like no loyalty. You know, snitch energy. Who is this Empress? I don't know if it's a lawyer or something. There's this new case here. So I did see scrolling a couple hours ago that Gunna was picked up again. So we'll see what that turns out to be. So there's some new energy here, but so I don't know why he got picked up again. But like I said, it could be related to this kind of renege energy. Why the Three of Cups twice? Yeah, it feels like a flip. See, look. Somebody walk away on a deal, and that's under the moon. It's like all part of the plan or something. Let me see. Does Young Thug consider Gunna a snitch? Does Young Thug consider Gunna a snitch? I feel like for the public, yeah. Like I feel like for the public there'll be some conflict and stuff. So I don't know where a relationship lies in this, or if it's just like a partnership between, whatever affiliation that they have with each other. Excuse me. It's like this back and forth. I don't know how to trial has been going so far, but is if giving me R. Kelly trial energy because it was a lot of contradictions. That's the word I'm looking for. So it could be some contradictions here. So I don't know how close of friends they are, but it is showing up as a betrayal here. Some type of conversation. I don't know if somebody tapped somebody's wire or recorded a conversation. So that could be something they'll be talking about too here in court. So I don't know if it was like somebody jumping on somebody or like, I'm sure it's something gang, something. This Ten of Cups family energy making me think about like loyalty or whatever. So yeah, he does see that, but I keep feeling like it's going to like flip. I could be off on this, but I feel like he's going to like renege on, or it's going to get dropped or whatever with the energy of him snitching type thing. Because the Nine of Wands is here with the Ace of Pentacles. And this Gemini lover's energy just could be air. And we are with the Justice, which is air. I don't know what their zodiacs are. I don't know if they're accused of drugs, trafficking too, or what. I'm not sure what. I know RICO, so weapons, right? And like gang related shit, right? I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, it just feels like a show to me. So I don't know who's being offered money here, or if it's fines, or they're looking through like finances in court currently, trying to like link things, or so either he flip and he don't do it, or he give contradicting testimony or some shit like that. Okay. Okay, so will Gunna fall off if he's being labeled a snitch? So will he? Hold on a second, y'all. I can't read my own handwriting. Let's see. I'm going to ask if Gunna going to prison, and then I'll ask if Young Thug going to prison, then I'll go with my other other questions here. So this won't be super long, I don't think. So is Young Thug going to prison based off of what he's in court for currently? I don't know. I keep feeling the need to make distinctions. I did a Trey Songz reading And I thought it was like a SA allegation, but it was like a physical abuse allegation. So I don't know if I should put it up, but it was looking like some baby mama drama and some accusations of cheating, now that I put it in the right context. But I was looking and see, because it looked like a lot of people. Anyway, y'all let me know if y'all want me to post that or not. But I feel like I got it kind of mixed up or asking the wrong questions, but the right information. Will Young Thug go to prison? Based off the current allegations that he is in court for now. Will Young Thug go to prison? Okay, so far, it kind of looks like a no so far, but let's clarify. Three of Pentacles. And the Cups, Six of Swords. Three of Pentacles, they work out some type of deal or something comes together, allegedly, for Young Thug, which equals to the Nine of Cups and the Six of Swords. So that is wish fulfillment. That's going into calmer waters. But we ain't done yet. So just to make sure we on the right track, we're going to finish clarifying this. A lot of damn cards. A lot of World card. Four of Pentacles. Excuse me. Four of Cups. Make me feel like easy breezy. The Star. The King and the Ace of Cups. So why the Tower? What's this Tower? What's this big old shebang? Independence. Free as a bird. Seven of Pentacles, because it's all a part of the bigger picture plan with the Tower. Six of Wands. He ain't worried about it. He ain't worried about it, okay? But let me finish. The Hermit. Why the Hermit here? Ace of Swords, which is the next card too. Eight of Cups, walking away. New start energy. Why the Ace of Swords twice? The Moon. So some type of truth about a relationship or dynamic is exposed here with a female. Who is this female? Or is they just in some feminine energy? Or is that just the energy we riding off of? King of Cups. Emperor, Two of Pentacles, High Priestess. It's just like the waiting game. It's like waited out. It's Eight of Pentacles, Chariot. Like this is work. This is work. Just another day at the office. By the Devil. Strength, King of Wands, Nine of Swords in reverse, Nine of Swords, that's a lot of cards, Ten of Swords in reverse, Magician, Queen of Swords, Five of Cups, the World, Why the Seven of Cups? I'm willing to be wrong. I could be wrong. Seven of Cups is the Fool energy, Hierophant. Why the Knight of Swords? Why the Knight of Swords? Five of Pentacles and a Death card. One more. Queen of Wands. So is there a murder link to this? Allegedly. Ten of Wands. Why are you here? Empress. Judgment. It makes me feel like this rebirth energy. Who the fuck is this female? Some type of hidden connection maybe or something. Will Young Thug be going to prison based off of these accusations that he is currently in court for now? One more, clarify. Is Young Thug going to prison the way he's in court for now? Prosperity lies ahead. So I wonder if he a Taurus or an Earth sign. The end of a tough cycle approaches you very close to achieving your goal. Allegedly. Step out your comfort zone, have faith in your dreams, and confidence is your key to success. Like I said, he ain't worried about it. Let's see if Gunna will go to prison. There's going to be some more cases with like RICO stuff and gang association. There's going to be, I feel like, two main labels or groups like that. Two more big ones. At least two more. 6 months or less. 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months or less. Will Gunna go to prison? Gunna go to prison for the charges set against him currently. Will Gunna go to prison? Well, we'll see if this is a 10 or a yes. The Ace of Cups. So I'm trying to see if this is a positive outcome or the victory wanted to come in reverse here, but I don't really too much do with that. We got the 5 of Cups here. Judgment, we're going to clarify and see what this 10 of Cups represents. We do got the 6 of Swords energy on top of here, and the last card was a Chariot here. We do have this moving on energy. We do have a lot of positive energy here, but it's like he on edge. I don't know, I'm making a noise. It's like that energy kind of on edge, and we do have this like crying over spilled milk type of energy. We got past energy with Judgment. So let's see. For if Gunna will. Damn it. I feel like he's going to be free. 10 of Cups is the 9 of Pentacles and a Star. So it starts off really good, and then it gets a little, and then it goes smooth again. So I don't know. Why the Ace of Cups? Queen of Swords, 5 of Cups. You got Celebration. It's so wonky. So money for the victory. Like money gets you out, allegedly. It kind of gives me the energy of like things I did when I was young and I didn't know any better. I don't know. Why Temperance? Kind of waiting for a payout. Kind of waiting for a reward. 2 of Pentacles. Why are you here? The Fool energy. Hierophant. Ace of Cups. King of Cups. 7 of Pentacles. A lot of 8. It's like some low-key opportunities, some like hidden opportunities, so they keep making me feel like, but I could be off. Yeah, it's like, I'm not worried about it again. With Judgment, that World, and Victory. So y'all decide for yourselves, okay? Something about going back to something. Time or back to, I guess, stability and calm energy or whatever. So again, I don't know the background, so I can't implement as well as I wish I could everything that I'm seeing, but this even could be speaking of this energy that he's currently in as well, with getting out and then getting back in. Because, you know, like I said, it's like this back and forth energy. So anything else at all? And then I'm going to do Moonology. So guess we'll have to see how any of this resonates. Time to give rather than receive is showing up as I'm crack the deck, and it make me think of commitment being tested or proving yourself type of thing. That's what it kind of feel like. Look, commitment being tested as I crack the deck. So let's see what actually comes out. A new romantic cycle. See, like I said, some person here. But that could even be just speaking to like a new start here. Because we do have that Fool card. We do have the Sun and the Victory. Luck is on your side, baby. Show the world the real you. A personal issue reaches resolution. So this could definitely be a win for Gunna as well. So far, it don't really look like nobody gonna do no time or no real time. A fiery climax approach, a time to give rather than take on the bottom again. Your commitment is being tested. So this could just be his contribution to the fam bam, allegedly. I don't know, again, what the whole issue is. I mean, you know, what happened exactly. So, and, you know, Gunna's role versus... So is anybody going to jail? I could be off, y'all. I could definitely be off. So is this a real case? Is this a real case, or are they playing in our face? And everything I say is alleged. Is this a real case against Young Thug, Gunna, and their associates, or is this just a distraction? Is this a real case? Let's see what else. I mean, that motherfucker came right on out, didn't it? We got the Hermit. Yeah, this is a distraction, y'all. Allegedly. Let me ask, why the Seven of Swords? Why the Seven of Swords? It's not real, y'all. Allegedly. Why the Hierophant? I don't know about the Hierophant. Why the Hierophant? It's something else going on here they don't want us to look at. I mean, obviously, but it makes me feel like something to exclude fathers from kids and relationships, or it just makes me feel like it has something to do with women or families. Some law, maybe. Why the Five of Cups? Yes. And something with money, something with currency. So, allegedly. I just want to ask one last question. I think, oh yeah, let me see. There's two more questions I need to ask that was requested. Okay, so how does Gunna feel about being labeled a snitch? How does Gunna feel about being labeled a snitch? Page of Wands, the Moon, Page of Swords. what's his personality about? I mean, what's his personality like? He seemed kind of goofy, or it could be immature, but it seemed like when it comes to adversity, maybe kind of lighthearted about it or something, you know. It's a little bit of defensiveness here too as well. I mean, but he understands what's going on behind the scenes, so he don't really care. You know, he doesn't really care. He understands that allegedly, like, this is a part of his job, so his current task. If no plea deal, what's the outcome of Gunna's career? If there's no plea deal, what is the outcome of Gunna's career? Stable, Four of Pentacles. Anything else? I don't see it going any higher. Wait. Hold on. Because we got... Maybe it's just saying it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Because we got the stability energy, but then we got this stress, right? Because it could be getting to him even if it's a job, you know. But then we have this balance, this celebration energy, the stability, and with more confirming energy here. So it was worth it, you know what I mean? Judgment. He's not worried about the judgment. Judgment coming in reverse. He don't care. He don't care. He do not care. It's like, who is you for me to give a fuck about what you think? That's like the kind of arrogance energy I'm getting. If there is a plea deal, what will be the outcome of Gunna's career? If there is a plea deal, what will be the outcome of Gunna's career? Same energy. Same energy. You might even get a contract. Yep. Same energy. Look at that. A lot of opportunities and shit. You seen what happened with Rainbow Hair Boy. What can we see next in this case with Young Thug, Gunna, and Associates? What can we see next in this case with Young Thug, Gunna, and Associates? What can we see next in this case? King of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. That's too many. Ace of Pentacles. So let's see what else. Justice. Four of Pentacles. Five of Swords. Six of Cups. Nine of Swords. Eight of Cups. Two of Cups. I don't know if somebody getting a new lawyer or got a new lawyer. We're cutting away some lies or perceptions here. Like debunking some shit. We got some damning receipts or unreliable witness. Unreliable witness. So it could be these could be people that's testifying or something as well that's showing up here. All right, so let's get to it because we got to see what this Ace of Pentacles and this Justice is in the moment. So first, let's see what this King of Pentacles is. If I can shuffle. Let me see what Young Thug is in Gunna. They zodiacs.